Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share some surprising and shocking facts about 5 white colored poisons that you have to slow down from your diet. So I'm gonna share what are those 5 food items, why we call those ingredients poisonous, what are the substitute ingredients we can use instead and get the health benefits. We might be surprised to know that unknowingly we are consuming white poisons in our daily meal. Forget getting nutrients from these items, we end up troubling our health by consuming these food items, which are not at all good for our health and increase risk of developing diseases like cancer, obesity, hypertension, bone health issues, and diabetes. This is especially for sweet eaters. The number one is refined sugar. Sugar contains a lot of calories with no essential nutrients, and because of that, it is considered as a part of empty calories. It can have harmful effects on metabolism and contribute to all sort of diseases like obesity, cancer, type 2 diabetes, and so many digestive issues, liver diseases. Before sugar enters the bloodstream from the digestive tract, it is broken down into two simple sugars. One is glucose and second is fructose. For people who are inactive, large amount of fructose from added sugars get turned into fat in the liver. Because of the harmful effects of sugar on the function of insulin, it leads to type 2 diabetes. Recommended intake worldwide, it is for men it is 9 teaspoon of sugar per day, and for women you can consume 6 tablespoons of sugar per day. However, considering the tendency of Indians towards sugar intolerance and diabetes, it is recommended not to go beyond 5 tablespoons of added sugar per day, which includes sugar available in cookies, cakes, and fruit juices. For health benefits, instead of refined sugar, you can use the natural plant extract stevia or brown sugar or the traditional Indian jaggery. Refined salt is one of the major cause of so many health issues. So many people are obsessed with a very salty food and they just add a little bit of salt in their every meal, whatever they have. Salt makes your body hold on to water. If you eat too much salt, the extra water stores in your body increases your blood pressure. More salt you eat, the higher your blood pressure will be. In India, 1 in 3 adults are affected by high blood pressure and majority of them even not aware of it. Therefore, it is recommended to follow low salt diet. Normal table salt contains iodine, which is needed for a healthy body, but refining of salt removes iodine from the salt. Fluorides are added during the process of refining, which is very bad when consumed in excess. Recommended intake aim to consume less than 1500 milligram of sodium per day, and definitely it should not be go beyond 2300 milligram per day. 1500 milligram sodium is equivalent to 0.75 tablespoon of salt per day. For health benefits, there are so many alternatives instead of refined salt, such as Himalayan pink salt, sea salt, natural iodine, and rock salt, and so many. From so many decades, we labeled milk as a whole meal. But isn't it surprising or shocking that even pasteurized cow milk leads to a various health hazards? Because the process of pasteurization keeps the milk in good condition for a very longer period. but harms its nutritive value. It removes all the enzymes, vitamins from the milk. The process also transfers hormones and antibiotics into the milk. Pasteurization destroys beneficial bacteria found in raw cow milk. It kills the natural enzymes and destroys all its phosphatase, which is essential for the calcium absorption. Calcium works with vitamin D, which is vital to the growth and health of the children, as well as improving immunity. Considering all these facts, we should avoid consuming pasteurized cow milk. For health benefits, instead of pasteurized cow milk, there are so many alternatives available we can include in our daily life, such as goat milk, raw milk, shelf stable milk, almond milk, raw cow milk, and plant extracts based milk, and so many. So many delicious and yummy dishes are incomplete without white flour. But sadly, it's also a white poison. I'm actually not against about white flour, but you can slow down white flour from your diet to live a healthy life. Sometimes we are consuming it in the form of bread at our home, and sometimes in the market or food joints in the form of fast foods. During processing of maida from wheat, endosperm of the wheat is removed from the germ and the bran, which is very crucial for digestion, as all necessary nutrients are lost during processing of maida. Foods made from it utilized nutrients from the body for absorption. As a result, our body gets depleted of vitamins and minerals. Nowadays, in the market, there are so many alternatives available. Instead of refined wheat or maida, you can use healthy options like oats, ragi, barley, and there are so many options like multigrain flour. From ancient times, so many countries, rice is largely cultivated and it's a very good source of good carbohydrates which gives us energy for healthy life. But here is one thing which changed the quality of healthy rice to refined rice turns poisonous, lead to so many health hazards. The process of refining rice leads to the removal of outer layer and germ from it. The rice is left with endosperm only. This layer contains starch in the huge quantity which can increase your blood sugar or glucose levels to a great extent. So here you can slow down or instead of white or refined rice, you can use brown rice. Most dietary guidelines recommended that your diet includes about 6 ounces of grains daily. If you think this video is helpful, like and share. You can also ask queries and leave a comment below. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.